Did you know that Julius Caesar and Cleopatra had a legendary romance that shaped the course of history? In 48 BC, the world's most powerful Roman general, Julius Caesar, sailed into Alexandria, Egypt, and crossed paths with Cleopatra, the enigmatic queen. Their meeting was no mere chance. It was a calculated alliance that transformed the political landscape. Cleopatra, determined to secure her throne, saw in Caesar a powerful ally. Their relationship sparked both passion and political intrigue.
These days, short AI-generated videos about historical facts are blowing up on YouTube Shorts. These videos are racking up millions of views and helping their creators make thousands of dollars. Just look at this YouTube channel named The AI Historian. They've shot from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers with just 24 videos. They're bringing historical figures to life with AI-generated imagery that makes their content really stand out and hit millions of views. You might be wondering, why should I learn how to make these videos? Well, let me show you guys. Creating these videos can lead to incredible earnings. For example, let's see how much this channel makes a month. As you can see here, it's pulling in anywhere from $600 to $10,000 a month. Let's see another channel named Stellar Sagas, which makes similar content. It's making between $300 to $6,000 a month. Whoa! And why not you? With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can achieve the same results. This is why I'm here to show you how. But before we jump in, guys, pay close attention and do not skip any part of the video, because skipping even one step could ruin everything. In this tutorial, I will show 2 ways to create these videos. The first method will be manually, and the second method will be using one single AI tool that can make them in a matter of seconds. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. We need to find historical facts and ideas and create a script. The best way to do this is to see what successful channels are doing. Let's check out the YouTube channel Stellar Sagas, which has over 400,000 subscribers. We'll look at their most popular videos, which have tens of millions of views. As you can see here, they're focusing on famous historical figures like Julius Caesar, Cleopatra, Alexander the Great, and other figures. Let's choose Julius Caesar and his relationship with Cleopatra, for example. Now, we need to find historical facts about them. The majority of people who cover this topic on YouTube used gravitywrite.com to find ideas and create the script. Well, it sounds good, but it's a paid tool and it's quite expensive. Instead, if you want to invest some money and get ahead faster, you could invest it in a magic AI tool that I'll show at the end of the video. So just stick around. We'll rely on ChatGPT for creating the script. We can use ChatGPT to create a short, engaging script. Simply ask it, in around 150 words, create an engaging story about the relationship between Julius Caesar and Cleopatra. Start with a hook like, did you know that Julius Caesar and Cleopatra had a legendary romance? ChatGPT will generate a story for you. If you need adjustments, just ask it to regenerate. Once you're satisfied with the script, copy it into a Google Docs file for editing. Next, we'll use ChatGPT again to suggest images for each scene of the story by asking, I want to make an animated YouTube video about this story. Can you suggest images for every different scene? And boom! Now that we have both the script and image prompts ready, let's move on to the next step. In this step, we need to create a voiceover. To create a voiceover like the one in the intro video you watched, I'll use 11 Labs, the most popular and professional AI voiceover tool on the market right now. The link to this AI is in the video description. With just a few simple steps, you can create an account and log in. If you want to use a high-quality voice like the one you heard in the intro, just follow what I will do. So just go to the Voices section on the left to browse through the voice library. Write Nightly. As you can see here, it's a high-quality voice and is often used in viral historical and motivational videos. Click on Use Voice, then copy the script we created in step 1, paste it here, and click Generate Speech.
You know that Julius Caesar and Cleopatra had a legendary romance?
Wow, it's awesome. As a tip for you guys, 11 Labs is a paid tool. To avoid any issues with YouTube monetization, don't use it for free. At least consider purchasing the creator plan, which is only $11. It's excellent for content creators and offers a range of high quality voices. You'll find the link in the description below. So download the voiceover to your computer and we'll move on to the next step. Before we move to step 3 guys, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So, in this step, we'll need to generate images. To create beautiful and professional images, I prefer using Leonardo AI. It's one of the most powerful image generation tools available today. You can find the access link in the video description. We'll start by clicking on Image Creation. Now, go back to the image prompts that ChatGPT generated for us. Copy them one by one and paste them into Leonardo AI, but do not generate the images yet. We need to tweak a few settings to get the exact type of images we want. In the preset section, there are many different styles to choose from. I'll select cinematic for the preset style and leave the contrast at the default medium setting. Next, in image dimensions, since I'm creating a YouTube Shorts video, I'll choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now that our settings are ready, go back to the prompt and add one more word, hyper-realistic. Adding this word helps Leonardo generate more realistic images. Now click Generate. In just a few seconds, we have beautiful images. Click here to download the image. Let's move on to the second image. Copy the prompt for the second image and paste it here. But pause for a moment. This step is crucial. We need to create images with the same style as the first one. We'll use Leonardo's style reference feature. To use this feature, click the small icon, then select style reference. You can also click View More to see other exciting reference features like creating consistent characters with character reference or designing characters with specific gestures from a sample pose using the Pose to Image feature. Now we'll use the style reference feature to continue creating images. Upload the image of Julius Caesar that we just created and use this image as the style reference for all the other images in the video. Click Generate, and in a few moments we have a stunning image with the same style. Notice how the color scheme and style are consistent with the reference image we selected. Continue this process for the remaining images, and remember always to set the style reference to our first image. After creating all the images, we'll move on to the next step. In this step, we'll turn the images into animations. There are many AI tools available, but I'll stick with Leonardo AI for this task. Keep in mind that this feature can use a lot of tokens, so consider upgrading to the paid version. It's only $10, and it will greatly help you in content creation moving forward. Now let's click on the images we created to turn them into animations. For the first image, click on this small icon, then set the motion strength to 1 or 2. Then click Generate, and boom! You need to repeat this for all the remaining images. Once that's done, we'll move on to the next step. In this step, we need to find royalty-free music tailored for historical fact videos. You can use Pixabay, which offers free music. You can access their website through the link in the video description. So go to the search bar and type cinematic, and this site will provide you with a variety of epic cinematic tracks perfect for your video. Listen to a few options. I'll choose this one and download it. Now that we have all our elements we need, it's time to bring them all together into a final video using CapCut, which is one of the best free video editing tools. We're going to edit the video and enhance it as much as possible. So start by importing the images and the background music. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline. As a tip for you guys, do not keep any empty parts in the voiceover so that the audio sounds smooth and polished. So use the cut tool and remove any empty space. Now, let's drag the images we created earlier. First, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the format we need. Then, start adding the images and resizing them to fit the screen. Aim to switch the images every 3 to 5 seconds to keep the viewers engaged. To make the video more interesting, we'll add some transitions and animations. Start with the zoom 1 animation, making sure it lasts for the entire image. Use a left slide transition to move from one image to the next. In the animation section, try using the pendulum effect for a cool look. Repeat this process for all the images. Take some time to explore all the transitions to see which ones fit you best. Now, if you want to make the video even better, you can add some sound effects. For example, let's add wave sound in the scene when Caesar sailed into Alexandria.
Roman general Julius Caesar sailed into Alexandria, Egypt.
That's perfect. And of course, you're free. You can try different sound effects for each scene and see what works best. Finally, let's add captions. So just go to the text section and select auto captions, then click create. CapCut will generate the captions for you. And if there is any mistake in the caption, you can fix it manually. To make the text more appealing, use this animation to show the text word by word and follow the adjustments shown on the screen. Alright, let's see how it looks.
Did you know that Julius Caesar and Cleopatra had a legendary romance that shaped the course of history? In 48 BC, the world's most powerful Roman general, Julius Caesar, sailed into Alexandria, Egypt, and crossed paths with Cleopatra, the enigmatic queen. Their meeting was no mere chance. It was a calculated alliance that transformed the political landscape. Cleopatra, determined to secure her throne, saw in Caesar a powerful ally. Their relationship sparked both passion and political intrigue.
As I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create these kinds of videos in a matter of seconds using just one AI tool. If you're considering purchasing multiple AI tools for content creation, the total cost can quickly add up to $51 per month. But here's where it gets exciting. Imagine having all these features rolled into one tool for less than what you'd spend on coffee in a week. This tool is called Auto Shorts, and it's perfect for most niches. For just $19 per month, you get everything you need: image generation, voiceovers, thumbnails, captions, sound effects, and more, all in one place. You'll find a link to Auto Shorts in the video description. As you can see, Auto Shorts offers 3 plans. Starter plan, $19 per month for up to 3 videos per week. Daily plan, $39 per month for a new video every day. Hardcore plan, $69 per month for 2 videos every day. And the best part is that there's no long-term commitment. You can try it out for a month and cancel anytime if it doesn't fit your needs. So, after signing up, go to the Create section. Here, you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to the AI tool. Once your video is ready, the AI can upload it directly to your channel. Personally, I like to upload videos myself, so I'll choose the email option. Next, use the drop-down menu to select your niche. They cover all the trending ones, like scary stories, bedtime stories, motivation, funny stories, philosophy, and more. For our historical video, let's choose Interesting History. Now, we need to pick a suitable AI voice for our video. The voiceover is key to making your video go viral on YouTube and TikTok, so take a moment to listen and pick one that fits the tone of your video. Don't forget to consider the language for your video. They offer around 20 languages, so if you're targeting a specific country, you can choose accordingly. Of course, English is the best choice to target an international audience. Next, decide how long you want your video to be. For YouTube, 30 to 60 seconds is ideal. Finally, click Create Series and wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, the tool provided us with a historical story, but it's random. The best part of this tool is that you can change everything: the title, the caption, and the full script. Now, the only thing we need to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier, then paste it here on Auto Shorts. Now we need 2 things: a suitable title and caption. So in this case, we'll go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a suitable title and description. And boom, we've got them. Now let's copy and paste them here. After that, our role is over. Let's click Update Video, and boom, as you can see, it provided us even with a catching thumbnail. So let's play the video and see what we've got.
Did you know that Julius Caesar and Cleopatra had a legendary romance that shaped the course of history? In 48 BC, the world's most powerful Roman general, Julius Caesar, sailed into Alexandria, Egypt, and crossed paths with Cleopatra, the enigmatic queen. Their meeting was no mere chance. It was a calculated alliance that transformed the political landscape. Cleopatra, determined to secure her throne, saw in Caesar a powerful ally. Their relationship sparked both passion and political intrigue.
As you can see, it is fantastic. The tool gives us everything we need, from image generation, voiceover, sound effects, background music, and transitions. So my friends, imagine the time you'll save and the results you could achieve with just a few clicks. If you're ready to start creating viral AI-generated videos and potentially earn thousands of dollars, give AutoShorts a try. So guys, this is for today. Bye for now.